one look at the pristine western Lake Michigan shoreline in Door County, Wisconsin, and you can see why generations have worked so hard to make this peninsula their home. Logging was Door County's most lucrative industry until 1890. But there is one woods that stands, intact and ancient, as it was found by the Danish settler Thomas Toft and his wife Julianne in 1871, Toft Point in Bailey's Harbor. Despite commercial development just down the road, Toft Point today remains as it was over 1,000 years ago. This area, just over 1 square mile, has some of the greatest biodiversity in the Midwest, but it took a fight to maintain this area's natural environment.
We could trace Toft Point back a good many years. It was underwater, let's say maybe 2,500 years ago. And everything that has grown since then, all the wildlife that came to live there, from the tiny organisms through the insects, through the birds, mammals. Today they have changed very little since then, and there are very few places like it.
I think we all owe a great debt to the Toft family, and particularly Emma, for their love of nature and their willingness to protect this place in the condition in which they found it.